ways that we can incorporate all of the social Cuban dances such as Rumba, Son. We can combine them with our normal partner changing moves. So one example of that is Enchúfala con Rumba, right? So we're going to do Enchúfala like we normally would, and instead of just walking straight to our next partner, we're going to do the Rumba. So just to demonstrate really slow, 5, 6, 7, Enchúfala, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, Rumba, 1, and 5, and 1, and 5, dile que no. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, again, Enchúfala con Rumba. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, and 5, and 1, and 5, and 1, 5, 6, 7, 1, and hold it right there.